Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your eyes feel strained at night or you want a warmer screen color to reduce blue light before sleep, Night Shift is the feature you need. In iPhone settings 2026, Night Shift automatically shifts your display colors to the warmer end of the spectrum. Okay, so making nighttime use more comfortable and sleep friendly. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on night shift on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, I want you to open settings. Okay, so look for display and brightness, tap it. This is where display color and brightness options are managed. Okay, so inside display and brightness, tap night shift. Okay, so scroll down until you find it, tap it. So you will see scheduling and color temperature options. Okay, so now turn on night shift manually. Okay, so toggle on manually enable until tomorrow. Okay, like this. So night shift turns on immediately and stays active until the next day. So schedule night shift automatically, so this is recommended. Okay, so turn on scheduled. Okay, you can play with, or I mean you can edit as edits the night shift as you want. Then choose one, for example sunset to sunrise, or costume schedule, set your own times. Okay, so night shift will activate every night automatically. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.